Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through 3 easy methods on how to take screenshots on your PC or laptop running any version of Windows. Whether you prefer the traditional method or want to explore other options, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. For method 1, traditional print screen method. First, you have to open the page or application you want to capture. Press the print screen key on your keyboard. Then, open the Paint tool. Click the paste icon on the top left corner. Then, edit the screenshot as needed. Click on File and then Save As to save the screenshot with your desired settings. For method 2, Windows shortcut. Open the page or application you want to capture. Then, press Windows plus print screen key simultaneously. Search for the Pictures folder. Then, locate the Screenshot folder to find your screenshots. For method 3, Snipping tool. Search for Snipping tool in the Windows search bar. Click the arrow beside the Mode button and choose your preferred capture mode. Use the plus icon to select the area you want to capture. Edit the screenshot using the available tools, the pen, highlight, and eraser. And save the edited screenshot by clicking the Save icon. Feel free to choose the method that suits your preference and workflow. Taking screenshots can be a handy skill for various purposes, so practice and explore these methods to become a screenshot pro. And there you have it! You've successfully learned how to take a screenshot on a PC or laptop running any version of Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching!